Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve the 4-figure grid reference. First of all, the question is stony waste. First of all, we are going to search this word stony waste in a map. Okay. So we have got it. And we will first of all see the eastings and the northings. So the eastings for stony waste will be 10, okay, and the northings would be 14. So the simple answer for the 4-figure grid reference of stony waste would be 1014. So we will write it accordingly. So the next question is open scrub. Again, we are going to search this word open scrub in a map. So 08 will be the eastings for the open scrub and 0816. So the answer would be 0816. I hope you all must have understood how to solve the 4-figure grid reference.